Right now, guys, I want to show you guys a really quick information on how you can easily withdraw your money from your Vantage account into your Bybit, into any exchange you like. So make sure you stick around and watch this video to the end, and try to hit the subscribe button, like and share this video to all your subscribers and all your social media. And so let me just try to show you really quick info how you can do that. So once you log into your account like this, either on your mobile phone or either on your web browser like this, is totally easy and simple strategy. So all what you need to do is to just make sure to click on this withdrawal button. You want to withdraw $100, maybe $200, it depends on you how you can. So it's there is just make sure, if you want, let's say you want to withdraw either $50, $200, you can just come to this area to withdraw either, let's say $30. You want to withdraw $30 into your account. Then you're gonna, so it's just tutorial account, so I'm sorry, tutorial strategy. You click on withdrawal button, then you try to do it. Then make sure you select the amount. You make sure you come here and select, come here, then you come to, I normally withdraw to my BEP20 crypto USDT USD. Sorry, this one is USDT. Yes, this is USDT BEP20, sorry. So then you just make sure to come to your exchange, either your Bybit account, wherever. So this is your Bybit account, all right? This is your Bybit, so you can easily just withdraw to your Bybit. So all what you need to just make sure to come to deposit area here, then you copy, you come to USDT area, then you select the chain. This is my chain, you select it, then you try to drag all this one down. Then you can also copy it down below here, copy it like this, or you can also try to copy it around this area like this. It's that simple. Then you go back to your account here. So then you paste the wallet address around this area, you paste it here, you paste, then you try to click on withdrawal now. You can just click on withdrawal now, then you, that simple. Then you just make sure to send code to your email address. Then alright, then you will receive a code to your email address as well. That simple. Then you try to paste the code around this area. Just make sure to go to your email address and paste that code. Then you click on submit. Then you make sure to go to your Google Authenticator as well. Then you withdraw the money. Then you click on just con. That simple. That's all. Alright. Try to click on this confirm button to withdraw the fund into your account. That simple. Is that simple. Then the money will be sent. Can you see? I've already withdrawn the money. Is that simple. So can you see? I've already sent the money out of the system. So once the money will just be sent to my account. So this is just tutorial. I just show you how you can easily withdraw the money. So, and if you want to register with my broker, the link is down below this video. Make sure you let me just show you how to register with my recommended broker right now. So you can see this is my recommended broker. You can just make sure to register. So just make sure you put in, and they enjoy 0 when you are trading US shares. You can see this is email. You put your email address, your you click on send code, then they'll send code to your email address, then you put your password, then you put my referral code here. Let me just show you my referral code. Then you need to just make sure to put it. It's that simple and you are good to go, guys. All right, just make sure to put my referral code here. All right, then you put it. Is that simple. Then once you do that, just make sure to click I'm not in US, wherever, because this broker is not working in US. So make sure to put your next information down and try to verify all your accounts. Verify it, and that's simple. You are good to go. So this is a very simple way on how you can just get started and start making money with your account. So if you have any question, guys, just make sure to do well to let me know in the comment section, so that you guys can show you the strategy, the method you can easily do, and you guys can start making consistent profits into your account. Is that simple. So, and I will even show you right now the live the money that I just withdraw into my Bybit. Then the money be sent to me in the next few minutes, and I'm going to show you right now the live withdrawal. So right now, let me just show you the money that I just withdraw into my Bybit. Then the money has been reflected. Right, this is the money I withdrawn, and can you see the money is just appear because I withdraw $30 and the money has been sent to me within just few minutes. And this is let me just show you the history. You're gonna see the history right now. Alright, this is the history. I just cash out the money. And you see this is $30 I just withdraw into my USDT account. So that's simple. So thank you guys for watching the video. Do well to subscribe, like, and share. Bye for now, guys.